Hey guys, this is your host back again with another episode of Business Kids TV. And today's episode, we have something really special. We are going to be talking about the Mentorship program and how it helped me and other students develop their own business plan and how they can take these steps in order to develop their own business plan. But before we start today's episode, please subscribe so you will get notified when we upload new videos. And without further ado, let's get started. So for those of you who don't know what a business plan is, a business plan is a written document that describes in detail how a business is going to operate. It includes a business overview, market analysis, organization and management, service or product line, marketing and sales, funding request, and financial projections. A business plan is used by entrepreneurs to secure funding, attract partners, and guide the company's growth. And now that you know what a business plan is, let's talk about the mentorship program. The mentorship program provides students with the opportunity to work with experienced mentors who can guide them through the process of developing a business plan. This program is designed to help students learn how to start and run a successful business, as well as develop the skills they need to become future entrepreneurs. Through the mentorship program, students can gain valuable insights into various aspects of running a business, such as marketing, finance, operations, and sales. Mentors can also provide students with practical advice and tips based on their own experiences in the business world. Moreover, the program helps students build their confidence and public speaking skills as they prepare and pitch their business plans to potential investors or judges. Overall, the mentorship program is a great opportunity for students to learn from experienced entrepreneurs and gain the knowledge and skills they need to succeed in the business world. I'm one of the mentees in the mentorship program. I am a kidpreneur who started his own business at the age of 12. My business is a social media marketing agency that helps small businesses grow their social media presence. Through the mentorship program, I was able to develop a comprehensive business plan for my agency, which included an executive summary, company description, market analysis, products and services, marketing and sales strategy, management and organization, financial projections, and funding request. The mentorship program provided me with the opportunity to work with experienced mentors who guided me through the process of developing a business plan and provided me with valuable insights and tips based on their own experiences. One of the most valuable things that I learned through the mentorship program is the importance of having a well-defined target market for my social media marketing agency. My mentor helped me to identify the specific types of businesses that I should focus on serving and develop marketing materials that resonate with their needs and pain points. Additionally, the program helped me to develop a strong value proposition for my agency, which has been key to setting myself apart from the competition in the social media marketing industry. Overall, the mentorship program was an invaluable experience that has helped me to set my business up for success. With the guidance and support of my mentor, I am confident in my ability to continue growing my social media marketing agency and achieving my business goals. Now let's hear from some of the other mentees in the program. Hi, I'm a student and I am part of the mentorship program. When I first joined the program, I didn't really know what a business plan was or how to create one. But thanks to the guidance of my mentor, I was able to develop a solid plan for my business. My mentor was very knowledgeable and experienced in business, and he was able to provide me with a lot of valuable insights and tips throughout the process. He helped me to identify my target market, develop a marketing strategy, and create a financial forecast for my business. One of the most valuable things that he taught me was the importance of having a unique value proposition and how to communicate it to customers. He also helped me to refine my business idea and make sure that it was viable and sustainable in the long term. Overall, the mentorship program was an incredibly helpful experience, and I would highly recommend it to any students who are looking to start their own business. With the guidance and support of my mentor, I feel confident in my ability to launch and grow my business. Hi, I'm a student and I am a part of the mentorship program. I am the founder and CEO of my own company. When I first joined the mentorship program, I had an idea for a business, but I wasn't sure how to turn it into a reality. With the guidance of my mentor, I was able to develop a comprehensive business plan that I can use to launch and grow my business. My mentor was very supportive and encouraging throughout the process, and he was always available to answer my questions and provide feedback. He helped me to identify my target market and develop a marketing strategy to reach them. He also helped me to develop a financial plan and forecast for my business. One of the most valuable things that he taught me was the importance of having a strong team and how to build a culture of innovation and creativity. He also helped me to refine my business idea and make sure that it was viable and sustainable in the long term. Overall, the mentorship program was an amazing experience, and I would highly recommend it to any student who is interested in starting their own business. With the guidance and support of my mentor, I am confident in my ability to launch and grow my business and make a positive impact in the community. I am the founder and CEO of my own company. I am a student, and I am part of the mentorship program. When I first joined the program, I had no idea how to create a business plan. But thanks to the guidance of my mentor, I was able to develop a solid plan for my business. My mentor was very patient and understanding, and he was always available to answer my questions and provide feedback. He helped me to identify my target market and develop a marketing strategy to reach them. He also helped me to develop a financial plan and forecast for my business. One of the most valuable things that he taught me was the importance of having a unique value proposition and how to communicate it to customers. He also helped me to refine my business idea and make sure that it was viable and sustainable in the long term. Overall, the mentorship program was an incredible experience, and I would highly recommend it to any student who is looking to start their own business. With the guidance and support of my mentor, I am confident in my ability to launch and grow my business and make a positive impact in the community. As you can see, the mentorship program has helped many students like me develop their own business plan and has given them the confidence they need to start their own businesses. If you want to be like us and start your own business, then I suggest you follow these steps. Step number 1, identify a problem that you want to solve. For example, when I started my business, I identified that many small businesses were struggling to grow their social media presence. Step 2, develop a solution to the problem. For example, I developed a range of social media marketing services that I could offer to small businesses. Step 3, create a business plan that outlines how you will solve the problem and generate revenue. This should include your target market, marketing strategy, financial projections, and funding request. Step 4, seek out mentors and experts who can help you develop your business plan and provide guidance and support. You can find mentors through various channels, including online platforms, professional networks, and local business organizations. Step 5, secure funding if necessary to start and grow your business. This can include funding from friends and family, loans or investments from venture capitalists or angel investors. Step 6, launch and operate your business according to your business plan. This includes implementing your marketing strategy, delivering your products or services and managing your finances. And step number 7, evaluate and adjust your business plan as needed based on feedback from customers, mentors, and other stakeholders. Be prepared to make changes and pivot if necessary to stay competitive and meet the evolving needs of your target market. Remember that starting a business takes time, effort, and dedication. But with a well-developed business plan and the right support system, you can increase your chances of success. So don't be afraid to take risks. Pursue your passions and create a business that makes a positive impact in the world. And remember, you are never too young to start your entrepreneurial journey. So if you have a great business idea, don't wait. Start planning and taking action today. Who knows? You might just be the next big thing in the business world. Thank you for watching today's episode of Business Kids TV. I hope you enjoyed learning about the mentorship program and how it can help you develop your own business plan. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on any of our future episodes. We have a lot more fun and educational content coming up that you don't want to miss. Until then, happy planning and good luck on your entrepreneurial journey.